What can I purchase with Robux obtained from a $10 Roblox card?
Hello, fellow Roblox enthusiasts. Today we're going to unlock the potential of a $10 Roblox card. A Roblox card is your key to a whole new world of possibilities in the Roblox universe. So, what can you purchase with the Robux you get from this card? Let's find out.
What is a $10 Roblox card and how much Robux will you get?
First things first, let's understand our key player here, the $10 Roblox card. This card can be bought from various retailers both in store and online and used to buy Robux, the virtual currency of the Roblox world. The amount of Robux you get from a $10 Roblox card is usually around 800 Robux once you've redeemed the card, but this might vary slightly based on the region and any ongoing promotions.
What can you buy with Robux?
The exciting part of Roblox is the freedom it gives players to personalize their gaming experience. With 800 Robux, there's a lot you can do. Let's delve into some options. 1. Game passes and VIP servers. These premium features help you to enhance your gaming experience in various Roblox games. Game passes provide special abilities or items in games, and VIP servers let you play with just your friends. Their price varies greatly from game to game. 2. Avatar items and accessories. Want to stand out in a crowd? Use your Robux to buy cool avatar items like outfits, skins, or accessories from the avatar shop. 3. Creating groups. With 100 Robux, you can create a group of your own. 4. Username changes. For 1,000 Robux, you can change your username, though you might need a little bit more than what you get from a $10 card for this.
Should I save or spend my Robux?
Save or spend? That's a question many of us grapple with. Here's a quick tip. Consider your gameplay style and priorities. If there are specific accessories, game passes, or server access you want right now, then go ahead and splurge. But, if you want to save for a larger purchase like a username change or a more expensive item, then save your Robux for the future. It's all about how you want to personalize your gaming journey. That wraps up our tour of what you can purchase with the Robux obtained from a $10 Roblox card. The Roblox world is full of opportunities for fun and creativity, and your Robux can be the key to unlocking them. So whether you choose to save or spend, make the choice that enhances your gaming experience the most. Thanks for joining us today and happy gaming!